Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wajid Ali Khan and today we are here at the great Fibonacci Retracement, my main tool for success. Just prevail it and conquer the market. Okay, now my key to success in xauusd gold versus USD, the pair, after backtesting it to 3 years of H1 time frame chart in gold, I have found the right placement or beneficial placement of Fibo for my work plan in gold. Today I am going to share it with you. What I have found that my success rate increased dramatically after finding the start and end point of Fibo in H1 time frame for intraday. Well, this is being the most asked question about Fibonacci retracement, that from where to place it. Okay, look at the charts below. There are certain markups to identify how to place Fibo in the chart. There are two scenarios we are going to face while placing the Fibo every day. Okay, now let's start from the picture one on the left side. You can see it in the below bottom of the page. The observation starts after the closing of the market. Take last two closing days and find a high and low in them. In left figure, low and high is in the same day, no problem, as we need the top and bottom of two close days. Now start stretching Fibo from the low to high, because low of 2 days comes first, then close the Fibo at high of 2 days as high comes later. For assuring you have correctly placed the Fibo, ensure that your start point should always be from 100% level to end at 0% level. The Fibo indicator levels are based on the theory what goes up comes down, and vice versa. Do the same thing for the right side of the picture. Find high low or low high of close 2 days and stretch. Here in this picture, high comes first and ends at low. Fibo levels from 0, 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, 100 are in percentage form, and all of these levels are considered as support and resistance for the next day to be traded. 61.8% is suffixed as golden number, and 50% is assumed for break or reject point or pivot point for the day. I might be using the terminologies attached to Fibo in a wrong way, but this is how it works for me. Again, I have not given you the scientific formation or details of this indicator. Rather, I have just shared how it has benefited me and the elements given in it works for me. Maybe there are other ways to use this indicator as per theory of the founder, but my way of using it has always benefited me. So you may also backtest it and experience it my way and find the truth. Bye for now and wait for the next videos. Thank you.